Right, I just spotted some flooding to show you. Take a look at this. What we're going to do is drive through what we commonly call the cheese. Okay, so we're coming up to it now. It's got a sign here, flooding, water here. Just take it easy through here. Lots of water all over the road at various places, but this is quite spectacular. Okay, here we are, coming up to it now. Take a look at this. It's right over the road. Whoa! Okay, and then we'll come around. I'll turn around, I'll get a shot of it from the other side. I better not loiter too much. Okay. Right, now we're coming back onto it. I had to go a wee way up the road to turn around. All these paddocks have flooded. I was speaking to the local. He said it really came down heavy last night. It was super heavy rain over here. So this is just the leftovers. It's eased off a bit now. It's not really heavy rain, but we're just going to come back to this cheese and have a look at it from this side. It's quite spectacular. Never seen it like this before. So here we go. See, there's actually two waterfalls. It's pelting down here. And all this water's going into Lake Ellesmere. Okay, here we go. Look at that. Just out of control. And here we go, coming right over the top. Oh, that's awesome. Woo-wee! Never a dull moment. And there's lots of places where the water's right over the road. Coming out of Akaroa, there's a real deep one. I was going to film that. And then out of Little River as well. And there's a slip over in Akaroa where they've closed half the road off. The hills has come down over the road. And all this, look, the flooding over here. Everywhere that can hold water has got water. Yeah, here's an example. We've got quite a bit of this in various places, in various depths. Look at that, there's a log. Yeah, this is actually quite deep. Wow. So it comes down the valleys and it's got to go somewhere. It's got to make its way to Lake Ellesmere. It's right up to the top of the fence post there. Okay, onward. Right, here we are in Kaituna Valley. I've got the wipers on because it's raining very heavy. Now we came up here for a bike ride on Saturday and now it is Monday. It's been raining yesterday. And there is flooding up here and there's a lot of water around, so they must have had a lot of rain. And the reason why I came up here today is just to see the contrast, and also I just want to show you something down here. Well, there's water over the road. Okay, these paddocks are absolutely flooded because they're waterlogged anyway, because but if you look here on the fence, I'll just put the window down. See all the sticks up against the fence over there? That's because of, and all over here, there's been water right over the road here. Would have been when they had that big flood rain a few weeks back. And I'll just show you up here as well. It must have been incredible in here, so all these paddocks would have been flooded. That means this road would have been completely underwater a few weeks back. Here we go. Now if this keeps raining today, I reckon it could end up back at that situation, because it's right over the road here. And look, see, look at that fence. Oh, that's deep water. Now, see how the grass is right up to the top of that fence. It has been, so that would have been completely in flood. Okay. And I'll just give you a shot of the paddocks once we get over this hill. Yeah, it doesn't take long because obviously it all runs down from the hills, down every valley, and water's got to go somewhere. Look at that, see, it's just pouring down there. It's got to go somewhere. And we came here on Saturday, and what a beautiful day. It was just absolutely lovely. Yeah. Now we'll get a shot of the now way out there, paddocks down here. That's the paddock on a slope, and the water's just pouring down there. And there's paddocks right over the back there. There's lakes now. Probably won't better pick them up. We got more water over the road. Water's coming in the truck. Yeah, see, it's just incredible actually. I suppose all the valleys here will be the same, and all this water is ending up in Lake Ellesmere again. So if that channel closes up, it's going to be back to the same scenario. So I might go down and have a look at that channel in a couple of days. Yes, it's all over the road here. Okay, we'll just might as well go to the end of the valley. Yeah, see? Oh, there's a flashing light down here. That's the farmer with his quad bike. Trying to sort his sheep out probably. Yeah. All the blackback gulls sitting out there. Weathering it out. Facing the wind. I think 2 days ago it was perfectly dry and really warm. We'll see what the temperature is. The temperature is 7 degrees, and it was 19 the other day. And this is where we parked the truck and went for a ride. Yeah. Okay, that's over and out from Katuna Valley. One last okay, see you later.